Good day viewers, welcome back again to another video. In today's video, we are going to do some maintenance on this Wuling Almaz. Stay tuned.
Berapa ini? 16. Itu ya.
Bukan bang. And the job is complete. Thank you again guys for watching the video. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to give your full support. And I will see you again on the next video. Peace out.